Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Yeah, now this guy wey they call Abat, wey they follow Obaseki. Now I want to talk to for this my video today. People where they follow am, If una get mistake, take watch this video. Make una share and go give am. He know the watch comment. He know the look in comment. As they do live video every day, every minute. He know they look comment. People where they comment, as they tell they sort out for the comments, you know they look am. Because I dey wonder some people they will leave wetin they're supposed to dey talk about. They talk about nonsense. This Abat so now they cause problem for Oshomole and Obaseki. Now they cause problem for Edo State. All the name of say he want gain fame for social media. And Obaseki self no dey talk. That one another person again entirely. Maybe say no the reason too. You just come out every day, they do live video. You will be government, you will say the world follow government. You will cause Oshomole, they cause commotion for these people. You will you start politics. I just dey wonder the kind of human being where you be. Anybody when you talk about Ranomigo. Now so you go talk about Oshomole. Tomorrow you go talk about Kabaka. Come on, where you, my guy, take time. Life not be like that. Tomorrow power not be here forever. You understand so? I just want to do this video for anybody who know Abat, where they follow Obaseki. You understand? I'm going to share and go give her. Because you get all the cause problem from Edo State big time. When they talk about, say, okay, right now, coronavirus now, they talk about coronavirus. Coronavirus, what they talk about so far, Edo State. We know the Edo State. You understand? Okay, now, Obaseki go carry the face masks from China, where all the other countries, they reject. They not reuse. You cannot go Edo State. You want to go keep people for Edo. That's not good now. You carry fascinator every single people are not people they reject for the whole wide world, and we will not get the facilities to take test those things if they are contacted or not. These are you are supposed to talk the rightful thing. You know they talk with those people 1 year. You come out just they talk rubbish, they call people name for social media. They understand so? And they talk about my Edo people. They understand? When I share this message, go give her this Osaze Abat. Ozed Abat. You know that's his name, I don't know. But you understand? That boy has been causing a lot of problems to the Edo State government by contribute the way his contribution in social media is not fair and it's not good. You understand? At least make it a watch comment. They look comment. If they do social media presenter, if you watch comment, like if you watch your comment, even not 10 viewers you get, the comment where you get, where is that the 10 viewers? Now you go to know whether you are talking the truth or fact. Even if it's like me, sometimes I go do video. The video when I go do, you know, go reach like 200 people will go watch them. But the comment when I go get for inside, go give me the encouragement to say, okay, carry on or not carry on. You understand? It is comments you are supposed to be looking at. You understand? So that is just it, my brother. So please, I love you all. So thank you all for watching me this morning. You understand? Because I wonder every time. One, they say, if person don't want fight, go separate quarrel. Go separate quarrel before you go lead to fight. You understand? That is why we will come out the talk. We don't want fight. You understand? For the state. That is why sometimes we come out the talk about, I will talk our own view of things, you understand? So that's what I just said this morning. Yeah, good morning all my people. Yeah, one love, man. Oscar Prince, hello, Alpha. Respect, man. Those are men. Yeah, respect. Happy May. Man, this is our month of progress. Yeah, I can see a lot of niggas watching me. Osas Francis, thank you for watching. Thank you for your comments. Oscar Prince, hello, nice guy. And Amayo B, Gemat, respect. Yeah. Now this guy, this Abat for Edo State, we would do politics. We don't know how. You understand? We never know. If we talk about people where they run things, we talk about them Godomingodo, them Sabawa no more less, the Kabaka West, we know them. You understand? So, Barrister Make, all those ones, we know them for that government house. We don't know Albert. Albert now just one miscraft who just come from so nowhere. Just begin to make, just begin to Obaseki just bring them up. Which Obaseki comes safe? We are talking about right now the present situation in Edo State. Right now, the face mask they don't carry and enter Edo State, and these are things where they just talk about. Sometimes if I come on live, say make they don't let this thing come Edo State because this economy where Obaseki read is like it's affecting the state. You understand? You know the people who do economy for school, they know they give a release. You understand? Normally, people do economy. Before you go say, if you give you 10,000 today, you go calculate how many days you're supposed to use that 10,000. And if you forget saying Nigeria not be so. You understand? These are the things we will try to tell my brothers and sisters. Please, if you dey close to Albert, make una tell am that Albert, make una share this video, go give am. Make it a look comment before because they look at that they happy say you don't get 1,000 viewers for YouTube, I be for Facebook. He was happy. I was looking at him and said, you that is a government official, that you are supposed to be thinking of how we can, thinking of how to advise the government to the better level. You are coming out talking rubbish, insulting people on social media, insulting the government, insulting Oshomole, people who brought Obaseki. Let's come to the fact. Let's talk about the reality. One of the reasons why I left Nigeria is because APC won the second term, this election, Obaseki won. That is why I left. Because Oshomole did everything for Obaseki. Nobody knows Obaseki in the government aspirant. We never know Obaseki as a Edo man. We don't know himself. We don't know as a politician. You understand? When we did, you understand? Izeyamu win the election. Izeyamu win the election. If you want to make it hear me well. Izeyamu PDP, he won the election. Totally, the way Oshomole ring the election for Izeyamu for Obaseki, now be say Oredo gets the highest population for Benin for Edo State, and Oredo na there everything there, na there government has there. Inside Oredo, na there everything there. Oko prison, bank, all the na be Sapele Road, stroke Airport Road, stroke Ekenwa Road, all the side na Oredo. You understand? So when they say. When Oshomole say PDP don't take over already because me I was working in the PDP, I was working for PDP. You understand? I work for Izeyamu. Yes. You understand? So when Oshomole say Izeyamu don't take over PDP already, he sent Sakpawa no less and some talks. Some of them they see me there, then they see me for the count the results. They know what they know what they do. To make sure say they can avoid Oredo results not to count. So Oredo was cancelled. And other local governments will be say PDP for win. So they use fight, they void, and not say INEC, anywhere where they fight, they go say they void that local government results. So the local government of Oredo they use fight, Oshomole use fight, they spoil everywhere there. You understand? Me and Sunday Slaughter was the one where they defend the result before the no molest came in with boys. You understand? With our papa, then they state them, all of them. They call this car shoot gun everywhere. You understand? So it was after the election, I just look and say, I don't know Guru government. Because when Obasa, all of us in the APC before we decamp, when Obaseki they do his campaign, he wait till they talk, he shows say this man don't know politics and he know if he know what boys need and everything. He show everybody see him. But just that say them Tony Kabaka and them Nomoles, they were scared because of Oshomole. If not, they would not pull down my axe ever since. You understand? They were scared because of Oshomole. Even the time when Tony Kabaka want to decide to decamp, when one try to change him for Obaseki. So you don't want to vote for Obaseki. Now one of a lawyer boy, now he go open up the secret to give I don't want just mention his name. They work follow this guy now today. They work follow Obaseki today now. It's our guy. It's my friend on Facebook. So I don't want to mention his name. Now I open up, tell Obaseki, say, see what happen. It's not even Obaseki even tell now Shomole it tell. So then Obaseki called another Shomole call on Tony Kabaka and say, why? So then I to bring that Tony Kabaka let come and say one or two things, one or two problems. So they want to bring and say, well, because I want the camp. You understand? So these are the issues of Edo State. If you don't know anything about the state, you keep quiet. And I tell this guy every time, most time if I watch this guy video, they look and say they always want to cause problem for this Obaseki and Oshomole. Okay, now of recent now they don't resolve their problem. Of recent now Obaseki and Oshomole they don't resolve their problems. Okay, now what you go see make you see they bring out these issues all the time. You know, you want to cause more problem. And if crisis day for this government, if crisis day for side government has there, definitely problem. They don't feel develop the state when there is problem. You understand? Internal problem. You understand? Because charity begins at home. What do you gain by causing confusion between these two people, Oshomole and Obaseki? What do they drag? Oshomole is APC national chairman. You understand? After you don't do a governorship election, after you don't do a governorship finish, you enter national chairman. Can Obaseki go to APC national chairman after this governorship? So you cannot use Oshomole to compare Obaseki because Obaseki, Oshomole put him there. Everybody knows. Oshomole put Obaseki there. You understand? So Obaseki, nobody knows him. Oshomole did, and the people that supported Obaseki, I've been hearing that so many people have been telling me that Obaseki has been doing well for the past 4 years. That's how Oshomole did when he came. Oshomole did well for his 4 years, but the remaining 4 years, my brother, no problem. You understand? I saw all government then be. If they do well for the first 4 years, the next 4 years now for their own personal money because they just want maybe like say they spend time there. Now make you see say they'll first do well small for the first time. You understand? So my brother, if Nigeria wise, second tenor, not good for election. Second tenor. If Nigeria don't wise, they're gonna say second tenor, not good to revote person for the state. That's very, very bad. The second election is not good. You understand? Because second election give people avenue to loot money because they know that there's no way they can come out again. That is just it. Our person just did one position for 8 years. My brother, you not banner, not waiting complete now. My brother, know the reason you understand. Me, I know say after this election, Obaseki is not coming. Now this OZ just do 1. All these kind of things OZ they do go over make the guy not lose the election. You understand? Me, I know say all these kind of things where the guy they do go make him lose the election. So I just want to drop this small one because why? Edo State our own, and we are from Edo State, and we know many things about the politics. Despite say we don't come up for us. Maybe if we see the house by now, maybe by now we for us to know our position beside the government house. You understand? So we still thank God for our life today because we are very, very much okay. You understand for where we are, and I thank God for the life security that I have. Say yes. As I did, no. As I they come out from my house, and then they look back, they look front, say, now, so one person want control away for me. Like as you will be out back, they look your back, they look your front. Any small thing, you will show yourself. You understand? For the state, we know for the country, we know ourselves. You understand? So, despite say, and if we see they come, we know they come back to come play, we they come back to come deliver. We they come back to our country, we they come back to come deliver, not be saying a joke. Because you know the level, see the level where we fed day before we come out for house. So that's so you be my brother. One love. I respect the house. Thank you all for watching me, and may God bless you. May this month of May bring the good things to our lives in Jesus' name. One love.